Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This weekend we will be doing some chores and all around relax and unwind after a stressful week. If you've had a long week, I know you're just as happy for the weekend, whether it's for self-care or just hanging out with friends or getting errands done. We all have to make sure we reset and prep for the week ahead. My unwind ritual for this weekend is just doing some chores, cleaning the house, making my bed, washing the clothes, all that good stuff. When my space is clean, it gives me the state of mind that I can move to do my self-care routine. I'm sure you've heard so many vlogs with the skincare routine, but obviously it's an essential step that everyone seems to use because who doesn't want easy, breezy, beautiful skin? I mean, come on. So I'll be updating my skincare routine from the last time I did a video on skincare, and this is a quick rundown of what I use on my face. So it's mask, toner, serum, moisturizer, and then SPF sunscreen. So as usual, whenever we leave clothes to dry in the sun, the grey clouds come and just mess up your day. So I took up my clothes and then I just got ready for the day by showering and putting on some clothes. Hi guys, I think this is the first time I'm talking since I started the video. I am on my way to a massage. It's been a pretty relaxed, chill day, and I said I was going to get a massage. This is at 1 o'clock. It is now after 12. I'm just going to take my time and go down there. Yeah, I'm gonna tune out right now because I'm driving, and as you know, I don't really like messaging or using my phone, much less videoing while I drive. So see you soon. I don't know if you have the same problem I have, but somehow on the weekends I always find the closest pharmacy or department store to stock up on my essentials. This includes a whole heap of self-care loving that I could use whenever I'm feeling down or out of it, or just need a little tender loving care for my self-care weekend. my mom cooked for the priest. It's our way of giving back to the church, and since my mom loves cooking, this was her way to serve. Afterwards, I watched a show and went through all the stuff that I got at the pharmacy. After that, it was time to eat and prepare for content day. Now, sometimes I don't look forward to content day because it's just tiring, it's exhausting. You have to record and you have to edit and then make the thumbnails and make sure that it's SEO optimized. It's just a lot. But you know, we push through and we make sure that we create A1 content for you guys. I just did, was it 3 videos? I don't remember. I'm so tired. I'm probably gonna take a nap right now. I'm so tired.
To sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell.
Like, is something wrong? Burger King is literally in pitch darkness, and to turn off my light. It's just because I saw the red lights in the drive-thru, or I said, okay, yeah, the drive-thru still works, but Shawnee's done. So I'm at Burger King because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna probably sign out this I'm gonna sign out this vlog. I'm about to go to my friend's house. Hi, good night. Do you have any milkshakes? Vanilla. Okay, never mind. Can I get a number 9 and a number 7?
Number 9 and 7?
Yes.
And flavor drink for them.
What drinks you have? You have grape?
Yes, we do.
Okay, can I have grape no ice and Schweppes no ice? Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and catch you next time. Bye.